Sabi niya, who are your favorite book authors? And do you recommend any book authors that we should read to be as good a writer as you?
Si Gabriel Garcia Marquez kasi
nasa Netflix.
Yung Latin American. Alam nyo,
yes,
meron siya. Nag-aaral ako sa UK, sa Scotland noon. Sabi ng mga classmate ko, oh, we like Gabriel Garcia Marquez because in his novels, people disappear. Gusto kong sabihin, di ba sa Pilipinas? Maraming Peggy Bird.
Oo. Grabe.
Sabi ko, no, that's not fiction. That's reality in the Philippines. People disappear, no? Nawawala. Or they go to Australia. Di ba? Or
East Timor.
East Timor. May sakit daw siya. Appendectomy lang eh. St. Luke's pa. Pwede naman yung bunting na lang, di ba?
Sorry, somebody asked also, another journalist and viewer asking, you mentioned using sex scenes to enliven your books. Are these detailed or implied, or are there rules on like censorship that parang may boundaries pa daw of sex scenes? What can and cannot be used in a fiction book of general readership?
Well, kasi nag-law school naman ako, nasa Revised Penal Code yan, Article 200. Gusto mo i-recite ko pa yan. Article 220 of the Revised Penal Code.
What is allowed and not allowed daw sa sex scenes in a novel?
So dito, I talked to my publisher. Sabi niya, siya, Singaporean yung isang publisher ko.
Yes.
Danton La, how many sex scenes you have? I said 5. What kind of sex scenes? Is it a lot or just a little? Sabi ko, well, in the Philippines, maybe a little is already a lot for Singapore. So, you tell me what you want. You know, not very detailed. Sabi ko, do you want to make money or not? Sabi niya, syempre, incheck tulad mo. Yeah, I want to make money. So, kasi yung sa criminal codes of many countries, British or American, Singapore, the Philippines, you cannot describe sex scenes na nakatutok ka lang doon sa genitals, no?
Yes.
So, ang way out niyan, even in films, maglo-long shot, malaking shot na ganyan.
So, ganyan din ang novel?
Yeah, yung dito, meron ako rito mga sex scenes pero medyo madilim, no? Hindi naman ako prude, kaya ayoko ba demanda, no? Nakatato na akong libel suits, ayoko na makakata.
Hindi lang libel, baka ipan ni Trump or ng tao niya, di ba?
Mahirap mademanda kasi di ba na-libel na ba kayo? Ang hearing yan, alas 7 ng umaga. Sa korte. Pag
nalibel sa'yo, that's not known.
Nalibel ako ilang beses. Yung isa, yung in-accuse ako of corrupting the youth. Yung sa Lagda.
Saan? Anong case yun?
Article 220 of the Revised Penal Code.
What writing?
Sa Lagda daw. Yung Lagda daw. Maraming sex. Sabi nung Catholic Women's League. Kasi nag-sex daw yung dalawang tao rito. Walang damit. So sabi ko, with all due respect, ma'am, I think it's hard to have sex with clothes on. Kasi mas maiipit ang zipper, di ba? So,
ilang punta ba sa korte dyan? Ilang punta ba sa korte for that?
Dinismiss ka agad ng piskal kasi...
Immediately. Bakit nagbabasa ng libre mo yun?
Saka naman nakakita na. Yung isa pa yung yung libel suit namin, yung Kimanuling Morato, di ba? Binan niya yung Schindler's List.
Ay, oo nga. Marami siya binan.
Siya tsaka yung Catholic Women's League, dinimanda niya kami. Kasi sabi kasi nila, bakit daw yung sex worker na sa pelikula, pinakita yung dalawang breast. Kasi daw sa Board of Censors, dapat isa lang daw.
May rules na ganyan sa Pilipinas.
So gumawa ako ng column sa Manila Times. Sabi ko, well, when I saw my mother's breast, sabi ko, yung left tsaka right, pareho naman. Hindi naman red, hindi naman blue yung nipple ng kabila, tsaka Ateneo. Yung isa naman green, Lasal. Dinimanda kami ng Catholic Women's League.
Ay, matuloy ko. So you're the honor of being
dismissed lahat.
Ang galing